I'm going to reveal to you the easiest way to make money online in 2023. Now you can see right here, James was able to get another $150 sent straight to his Cash App just using the process I'm about to reveal to you. You can see this person right here, Michelle, was able to get $900 in the first 5 days of just applying this incredibly simple formula. And one more result for good measure. You can see right here, this guy was able to make $300 while at the beach, because using the process I'm going to reveal to you, you're able to literally have money coming in after you set up this incredibly easy copy paste formula. Now, before I dive into the nitty gritty and reveal much more information, there's going to be a link directly below, or you can just head to my10ksystem.com to find out much more information, as well as to get started with our team inside of this opportunity. Now, I want to open up a whiteboard right here because you're going to be able to see exactly how this business opportunity works. So by the very end of the video, you can go out there and start to make cold, hard cash, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have any previous experience, or even if you're completely just unaware of how to do anything online at all, okay? So it's very simple, 3 steps, and I'm going to go through step by simple step. Step 1 is what you're going to do is when you actually join through the link below, you're going to access pre-made copy-paste advertisements. And as you continue to follow me throughout this entire video, towards the end, I'm even going to share a real example of an ad that I posted on my Facebook to start to make money. So you can see exactly what you're expected to do when you go down below at the link and decide to get started today. So first off, you're going to take these pre-made copy-paste advertisements and you're going to post them on your social media, okay? So maybe you have an Instagram, you have a Pinterest, you have a Facebook. You're going to post those ads. Now, they're either text or it's going to be an image, okay? And even if you have a few friends or a couple followers, you're still going to start to get results, because what's going to happen is this ad, okay, that you post on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, whichever social media you use and prefer, what's going to happen is step 2, people are going to respond to your ads, right? They're going to see the advertisement. They're going to respond in the form of a private message, or they're going to comment under the post. Okay, they may ask you for more information. These ads are designed to compel people to want to know more. Okay, so what's going to happen is, again, you're going to start to receive private messages. Now, once you receive these private messages, it's incredibly simple. The next step is you're just going to send them your website link. Now, I know a lot of people watching this video are going to think, Garrett, I don't have a website. I'm not technical. I don't know how to code and figure out sales and how to make a compelling website that will get people to want to buy from me, right? Not to worry, because when you actually partner with this online opportunity, you're going to even be able to get your own website, a custom-made website that's designed to do all the telling and all the selling for you, okay? You're not going to have to get on the phone with people. You're not going to have to explain the business. The website is going to do all that for you, okay? That's why so many people from around the world have been flooding into this opportunity, because 90% of it's done for you. The only real work you have to do is post the ad and then send people your link, which can be done in about 15 to 30 minutes a day, from anywhere in the world. Now, once people go to your website, a lot of people are going to decide to buy, okay? Especially the website that you get access to. It's incredibly good at getting people to want to buy, getting people to want to pull out their credit card and make a purchase. Now, when people decide to buy, when people decide to join, because it's through your link, okay, you will actually get credit for that referral, and you will get that money directly. Yes, that's right, directly. There's absolutely no middleman. When someone pays the money, they send it directly to whatever payment method you prefer. If you prefer PayPal, if you prefer something called Stripe, if you prefer, Zelle, Cash App, however you prefer to collect all that money that starts flooding in very easily for you, you can do that. Now, you get that money instantly. Okay, so if you're someone that wants to decide to get started at the link below and make money as soon as possible, this opportunity is for you. There's no waiting a long time to get paid. There's no, I got to wait till Friday to get my paycheck. This is completely different. This is when someone decides to buy, when someone pulls out their credit card and they make a purchase, you get that money instantly up to $600. Okay, so there's a few different levels inside of this business opportunity that people can decide to join, that people can decide to make a purchase. And you want to actually understand that so you can earn at many different levels. This person right here earned $300 because someone joined him at that specific level. Okay, this person earned $300. This person, $300. $300 is popular. There's actually a $600 level that's even more popular. And whatever level you join, okay, because I know people are wondering, is this free? Understand that no business opportunity is going to be free, right? If it's free, typically it's a scam, right? Because we are actually selling valuable information, valuable training, valuable resources. So it's not free, but whatever level you join, that's the level you can now earn at, okay? So if you were to go to the link below, which should take you to a page that looks something like this, you go through these simple 3 questions, you put in your best email here, and you get access to learn how to get started today. When you actually do, whatever level you join at, it's a one-time fee. You make that decision, you get in, and then you can earn at that level and all the levels under it. So again, the highest level is the $600 level. Most people decide to join at that level, but for whatever reason, if you can't, if you just want to apply this incredibly simple process, then get started as high as you can and you can upgrade later. Now, as I promised in the beginning of the video, I'm going to reveal a real advertisement that I posted on Facebook that actually resulted in cold hard cash flooding into my bank account, okay? This right here, this was actually not too long ago. I have some friends on my Facebook, and again, you don't need a lot of friends. I said, holy crap. Okay, now this ad, by the way, you can find ads just like this inside your back office, inside the membership area when you decide to join. So you don't have to come up with this yourself, right? You just post this. And I said, I found a way to get unlimited $600 payments hitting your account. Comment 600 for info. And what happened was 47 comments, okay, of people commenting 600. 600, 600, okay? Now, you may be thinking, well, you know, okay, that's amazing, but now what, right? Well, we go back to our formula. You post this, people respond, and then you send them your link. And again, all I did was I went through and I opened up and I messaged this person my link. And then I told them, hey, I sent. So I just messaged them the website that I already got access to myself. I sent them the link, and a few people from this exact post decided to buy at the $600 level, and I was able to make income. Very easy. Anyone can do this, okay? So if you're watching this, the search is over. This is the easiest way to make money online. It's literally just pasting things online and sending people a link. If you know how to do that already, you already can make money with this. Go down below. Again, go to this website, put in your best email so I can send you how to get started today. And I really look forward to seeing you on the inside. Again, there's no reason why you can't be, you know, the next success story. We have so many results just flooding in. I mean, endless results. Okay, so go down below. Like and subscribe to this video if you got value. Comment if you're watching this on YouTube if you have any questions. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.